Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on Infinix Hot 50i. Firstly, go into the Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and now search up Wallet and install the app. Now once the installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Now tap on View Wallet. Now tap on Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner. Loyalty card. Now choose from which company you would like to add loyalty card. Now we can just either scan the barcode or enter your member ID manually by tapping on this button and then entering your member ID right here. Now just tap on Add to Wallet, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.